Okay guys, in this video we are changing our background pictures like screen, lock screen and home screen. Okay, just unlock the device by entering your password or use your finger or face scan. That's it. It's my front phone, so I'm changing the display wallpaper because I'm recording this phone, so I need to change it to default one. So hold press your settings, then select wallpaper and style. Then click on touch on or open the change wallpaper settings. Then you can choose videos or feature wallpaper and any other solid colors. Okay, I'm choosing this and set it to next. Then the phone is showing how it's work, lock screen and home screen. If you like it, just press on done button right top corner. That's it. We have successfully changed our wallpaper, sorry, our wallpaper in our Samsung mobile. So that's it. It's very easy. So you can easily change two of them, and also you can change one of them, like the home screen wallpaper, and keep the old lock screen wallpaper. You can change it in any style. Okay, that's it guys. It's one of the very small video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.